Good morning, everyone. I'm Jody Tate with Blue Door Group at Wilkinson ERA, and I'm here this morning to go over the market statistics for the first half of our year for the Triad region of North Carolina. And I'll be pulling these statistics from our Triad MLS service. So to get started, the average sales price, and I'm going to just jump from January to June so that you can get a feel for what the trends were for the first half of the year. The average sales price in January of 2020 was $185,532 Triad-wide. In June, it jumped up to $231,097. Essentially, it progressed up month over month. So that's a really strong testament to where we are. Homes for sale. In January of this year, we had 4,982 homes actively being marketed for sale. In June of this year, we're down to 4,290. So as I've said week over week, our main challenge in our real estate market here is a lack of good sellable inventory. Days on market. In January of this year, the average days on market from the time it went into our MLS until it went under contract was 58 days. In June, it drops down to 42 days. So as you can see, properties are moving more quickly. Closed sales. In January, we had 1,274 closed sales. When we jump to March, we jump up to 1,845 closed sales. And then of course, COVID rolls in. And in April, we were down to 1,787. And in May, we closed 1,737 homes. But then in June, we roll right back up to 1,850 closed homes. So as you can see, the trend has remained very stable and strong in our Triad market for closed properties. Months supply, in January of 2020, we had 2.7 months of inventory. Essentially what that means is if nothing else came on the market, it would take us 2.7 months to sell everything that was in MLS for sale. In June, it dropped down to 2.3 months. When we talk about list to sale percentage, this essentially means what did you get as a homeowner for your home? What percentage of list price? And in January, that was 98.1%, and it jumps up to 99.7% in June. So clearly sellers are getting more money more quickly and in a much stronger position as far as the end results for selling your home. So the big thing we need right now is those homeowners out there that are thinking about moving. We really need you to go ahead and get those homes out there and on the market. So now what I'd like to do is talk about new construction. The average sales price just for new homes in our Triad MLS in January was just a little over $249,000. And in June, it jumped way up to just over $285,000. Some might say, why the big jump? Well, that has a lot to do with the cost of building materials during the first half of the year, the cost of land, shortage of lots, etc. So the pricing in new homes has always traditionally been higher than in our resale market. And that's something that will continue to go along in that trend. New homes for sale. In January, we had 951 new construction homes for sale in MLS. And in June, we were down to 674. Closed sales. In January of this year, we closed 164 new construction homes. In June, we closed 323. So clearly you can see that the trends are continuing across the board. Monthly supply. In January, we had 4.3 months of new construction homes for sale. And in June, we're down to 2.6 months of inventory. List to sale percentage. Again, what that builder is getting for the home that they are selling. In January, it was 100.1%. People were paying more than list price to buy that new construction home. In June, it remains at 100%. So very little fluctuation there. So what that means to all of you out there is clearly in the Triad region of North Carolina, our market is still very brisk. People are still getting top dollar for their properties if they are in good repair, good condition, been maintained and taken care of, and priced appropriately. And in some price points, I'll even add that multiple offers are becoming more and more common. So it's always good to have a strong realtor in your corner to be your advocate, to help you negotiate, help you get your house ready to put on the market. So at Blue Door Group, we would love to give you a very specific market update on your neighborhood or your zip code if you give us a call at 336-747-3245, or you can email us at info@openthebluedoor.com, and we'll be happy to share a very detailed update with you. Looking forward to hearing from you. Have a great day.